Morning there. Sun's not up, my boots are frozen solid, and Pearson made beans again. I hate it here.
This here's my horse, Biscuit. Really loyal. Won't let me on him till he's judged me for 10 minutes straight. Just stopped in for a whiskey. It's 11 a.m. That's considered late around here.
Well, vlog update. We're now in a shootout. Again. Dutch said it was a simple job.
Started the day waking up in Uncle's tent. Smells like whiskey and feet in here, so normal.
Wheels snapped. Charles says I hit a rock. I say the road hit me. Went to buy ammo. Left with a black eye and 40 degrees less. This town's real welcoming.
Okay. That's enough nature for today.
Oh. She's yelling again. Don't know what Bill did this time, but I'm sure it involved whiskey and dumb ideas. Sometimes I think I could just ride off and vanish. But Dutch still owes me money.
Well, look what the cat dragged in. Or, in this case, what I dragged myself into.
I ain't even asking.
Still breathing, still vlogging, still got no idea how this thing works.
All right, day 4 of this white hell. I ain't seen my horse, my camp, or my toes.
Okay, that's not a path. Whew. That's nature trying to eat me alive. Dutch said pack food. I brought bullets and sarcasm instead. Crunchy frost.
I ain't got time for this, Weather!